So as promised, here I am with a mini video series. Now many of you would wonder about tarot archetype kya bala hai, right? What is it? That is what tarot archetypes is. First is that we do not understand much what the tarot is all about, and now here Chandra is talking about tarot archetypes. To tell you simply is that basically tarot archetypes is your significator card within this beautiful realm of 78 cards. So with each of the zodiac sign, as we know of, right? We all know of a zodiac signs. So with each of the zodiac signs, there is a significator card that we refer to as tarot archetypes. Now in simple words, consider this tarot archetypes as your GPS compass, right? It is your significator card that kind of guides you and shows you the way in terms of for you to be able to have that clarity and insight if you find yourself stuck. As you would sit in the car and set the GPS towards your chosen destination, in the same way with each of the zodiac signs, there is a significator tarot card with whose energies you would find yourself invariably in bits and pieces all throughout your life cycle. Of course, these tarot archetypes with regards to your settings keeps changing, but with each of the zodiac signs, there is a tarot archetype, a cosmic GPS where you are going to shine and where you may trip over. And once you are aware, you can do so much more about that journey, right? Enjoy the speed breakers as much as the smooth ride. So without getting into the history and geography of the tarot analysis, let me tell you the tarot archetypes are actually the crystallized energies of your zodiac sign. So for let's just to give you an example, for the dreamy Pisces, we have the moon as a tarot archetype. For the recluse Virgos, we have the hermit as a tarot archetype, and for the fiery Aries, we have the emperor as a tarot archetypes. So of course, when it comes to a tarot reading, these tarot archetypes, the tarot archetypal energies keeps on changing from a setting to a setting, but generally when it comes to the zodiac, the tarot archetypal energy is more or less consistent. These tarot archetypes give you an uncanny and sometimes extremely fresh and an accurate perspective about yourself, and you'll be surprised that how much more it resonates with you. If you're interested, and of course if you're curious, which I'm sure most of you are, you can deep dive in the little series that I have created, and if you feel that it resonates with you, then please feel free to send in your comments, inputs and feedback, and I'll be more than happy and willing to do a longer series. But herein I have tried my best to give you the little nuggets and the trivias that you can actually take back with regards to doing a SWOT analysis as to what the strengths and the weakness and the opportunities and the threats are with respect to your own zodiac sign. And tarot archetypal energy along with the zodiac, the knowledge of it, the awareness of it is actually a win-win combination. So you can have your cake and eat it too. So what are we waiting for? You'll find all the relevant links in the description box below. So please go ahead and check out your tarot archetypes, and do let me know if it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, also I'll be more than happy and willing to listen to you, and look forward to seeing you. Ciao, love and light, Chandra.